How to cook Bangus Bistek Recipe. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, Kiel Vlogs. Our topic for today is about how to cook Bangus Bistek Recipe. Enjoy watching. Ingredients: 0.5 cup vegetable oil, 1 PC potato, 2 pieces red onion, 0.5 kg Bangus, 1 sachet MAGGI Magic Sarap 8 grams, 0.25 cup all-purpose flour, 4 cloves garlic, 1.25 cups water, 3 tbsp MAGGI Oyster Sauce, 2 tbsp Calamansi Juice, 1 tbsp brown sugar, 0.25 tsp freshly ground pepper, 2 tbsp spring onion, 1 tbsp toasted garlic. Step 1 Fry potato in preheated oil until golden brown. Remove and set aside. Step 2 Sauté onion in the same oil until golden brown. Strain and set aside. Step 3 Season Bangus and coat well with flour. Fry in the same oil until golden brown. Remove and set aside. Step 4 Remove oil from the pan, leaving 2 tablespoons. Sauté garlic until light golden brown. Pour water and simmer. Add oyster sauce, calamansi juice, sugar and pepper. Add back fry bangus and potato and simmer for 2 minutes. Step 5 Transfer on a serving plate, top with sautéed onion, spring onion and toasted garlic. Serve immediately. Cooking time, 50 minutes. Reference, MAGGI. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please support us by subscribing to our channel, Kiel Vlogs. We will be happy if you leave comments, like and share this video. Till next time.